Last class I think we did till some number 42, I think.
48. 48.
41. Yes, Pranjali, what you said, beta?
So 48.
48.
Sir, 48.
48, okay. So we are far ahead. 48. Some number 49. Very, very important theoretical question. 49. In a potentiometer of 10 wire, 1 wire, 2 wire, 3 wire, 4 wire, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So they are telling this potentiometer is of 10 wires. 10 wire. It is looking like intestine in our body. So it cannot be stretched straight. So it is done this way. 1 wire, 2 wire, 3 wire. This is called combination of 10 wires. The balance point is obtained on 6th wire. So if I consider this is my AC, A and C. So what we connect across AC, you remember? What we connect? AC का ऊपर क्या connect किया? This is AC. Battery of EMF E है ना?
Yes, sir. And rheostat.
Battery, हाँ, plug key and rheostat. Instead of zigzag, I had drawn straight line. Then with A, we connected battery, which we have to balance. Then this galvanometer, then jockey. It is sliding and going to 6th wire. That is 6th wire. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th wire. Either I. That means this balance length is somewhere on this wire in between, not extreme. Have you followed logic which I have explained just now on the board, on the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we have to take now balance point to 8th wire. मतलब जो पहला इधर इधर हो रहा था सपोज बैलेंस 6 वायर 8 वायर का डिस्टेंस बड़ा होगा ना. So from 6th wire balance point is to be increased to 8th wire. This is what they have given. Correct or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Arya? Arya?
Yes, sir.
What is formula for EMF E1 when you are balancing with length L1?
KL1.
Very good. Pranjali? Yes,
Yes, sir.
the L1, I have to increase now this balancing length from 6 to
Yes.
8. L1 has to be increased to 8. Isha, that means K should be increased or decreased or should remain same. Like suppose 10 is 2 into 5. Or we can say 5 into 2, let us say. Then this 2 I want 5, then this 5 should become 2, na?
Yes, sir.
So can I say when length L you are increasing, then K should be decreased or not?
Yes.
This how many of you have not followed first L? Everybody has followed? Balance length increased, matlab K decreased? Yes, Aditya, Venkatraman followed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Rajvardhan?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now can I say that means potential gradient V by L should be decreased? Is the meaning?
Yes.
V matlab IR upon L should be decreased? Yes, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So that means current I, if I decrease, I will get better result. Better result means I will get balancing length more. Or this main circuit ka resistance should be This is wire ka resistance should be decreased. Let me see what they have given. See, this increasing length of wire is also sometimes called increasing sensitivity. Increasing balancing length is also called as increasing sensitivity. Is also called increasing sensitivity sometimes. Now I'm looking what they want. Increase resistance in main circuit. वही राइट है ना. When you increase resistance in main circuit, तो main current कम हो जाएगा क्या नहीं? Hello?
Yes.
So answer has to be A. When the resistance of main circuit is increased, CKT लिखा है मतलब circuit is increased, then I will decrease. ये देखो ये I इधर से फ्लो हो रहा है, ये R मतलब ये वायर का है, तो इधर का मैं पोटेंशियल प्लग की रिहोस्टेट को अगर इंक्रीज कर दूं तो I कम होएगा ना. R इज कांस्टेंट, ये वायर का R तो कांस्टेंट है. करेक्ट और नॉट? हेलो?
Yes, sir.
So everybody has followed this concept behind balancing. Increased means current I should be decreased.
Yes.
That means the total resistance should be decreased. Total resistance मतलब main circuit का resistance. So correct answer is A. Complete. Once you have completed, then please tell me. Shall I clear this?
Then, sir.
Study the circuit carefully and select. Now that circuit is not seen properly, it is got overlapped. Skip this sum. Come to 51. In the potentiometer for measuring EMF of cell, at null point no current flows through. At null point no current flows through which circuit?
Cell, sir.
Cell circuit, correct. 52, simple but still sample, has been asked in the exam. Specific resistance of wire is 10 raised to minus 7 ohm meter. Current flows through it is 0.1 ampere and cross-sectional area 10 raised to minus 6 meter square. Potential gradient means K will be how much? What is potential gradient formula?
V by
One is V by L. Second, it is I rho by A.
I rho.
I rho by area A. So the one year which it was asked, many people got confused. VL not given. That means there is some error in the numeric. No, we can also write I rho by A. So K equals to I 10 raised to minus 1, rho 10 raised to minus 7, 10 raised to minus 6. That means K is 10 raised to minus 2 volt per meter, option A. Got it? Clear, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Done, sir.
Next, 53. A battery of EMF 10 volt is connected to the resistance as shown. A battery of EMF 10 volt is connected to the resistance as shown. One ohm, 3 ohm, 3 ohm, 1 ohm, 10 volt battery. Point P, point Q. The potential difference between A and B. A and B. Okay. A and B का बीच का potential difference. Is it balanced network?
Yes.
No,
Yes.
no. 1 into 1 is 1 ना, and this is 3 into 3 9. This is not balanced. अगर balance रहता तो ये A और B का voltage difference would be 0. It would become equipotential point. So this is not balanced network. If not balanced network, then potential difference exists. We have to find that difference. If I find total current I, then can I find current flowing through this branch and this branch? Can I find?
Yes, sir.
And if I find current, then potential difference between P and A will be that current I1 into 1 ohm,
Yes.
Yes.
and VP minus VB will become current I2 into 3 ohms.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And when you add this, subtract, then VP will get cancelled. You will get V and VB correlation.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Important sum, huh? Now tell me, what is total resistance? You have become now smart. You can tell oral. 1 and 3, 4. 3 and 1, 4. So what is 4, 4 ka parallel? 2, correct? 2, correct? So I is what? Total voltage upon total resistance, which is 10 upon 2. That means 5 or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Is I1 same as I2? Because both are parallel and equal. 4, 4 equal.
Yes, sir.
Equal मतलब half half divide होएगा. So it will be I by 2. That means 5 by 2, 2.5. पक्का समझा?
Yes.
So VP minus VA, can I say it is 2.5 into 1? That means 2.5. And this is 2.5 into 3, 7.5. I hope followed. Followed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm subtracting. This is minus. This is plus. This is minus. So Vp minus Vp cancel. We get minus Va plus Vb is minus 5. Therefore, Va minus Vb is 5. This is the answer. Everybody has understood?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thanks.
Next one, sum number 54. A battery of 6 volt is connected to the terminal of 3-meter long wire. A battery of 6 volt is connected through wire of length 3 meter, having resistance of 100 ohm. The difference of potential between 2 points separated by 50 cm. ये पोटेंशियोमीटर वाला क्या लॉजिक है ना? From this to end AB there is total voltage 6 connected, मतलब इसके ऊपर 6 वोल्टेज आएगा, तो 50 का ऊपर कितना आएगा, ऐसा है ना? हेलो,
Yes, sir.
can I use concept E1 upon E2 is length L1 upon L2? सेम वायर है इससे, तो E1 मतलब टोटल 6, E2 मतलब वो 50 का, L1 मतलब 300 सेंटीमीटर, L2 is 50 centimeter. So can I say E2 is 1 volt? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So full wire 3 centimeter is having voltage of 6. Then second 50 centimeter will have voltage of how much? I took ratio E1 by E2 is L1 by L2 if wire is same. (54) completed.
Yes.
Okay. (55). A piece of wire 4 meter wire, 4 ohm wire. A wire is 4 ohm resistance. It is bent through 180 degree at middle. At middle, it is bent by 180 degree, मतलब ऐसा 180, and then twisted. So middle means this 2 will have 2 ohms. Correct na? 2 ohms.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
and then it is twisted together, मतलब ये सीरीज का पैरेलल हो गया. 2 का पैरेलल कितना? 1 ohm.
One.
Is the answer. Done. Oral हो गया. 4 in between when you divide it will become 2 180 degree, मतलब इसको just U turn मार दिया और फिर इधर से twist, so it behaves like parallel combination. Option B. 56. Two resistors are joined in parallel whose resultant is 6/8 ohms. One of the resistance wire is broken and effective resistance is only 2. One is broken, so R1 upon R2, R1 plus R2 is 6/8. एक broken हो गया, तो जो बच गया वो दूसरे का आंसर दिया. Means if this is broken, तो उसमें से जो बच गया वो R1 होएगा. Hello?
Yes.
So if I break, then only left out is 1, na? Whose resistance is 2. So can I
Yes.
say it is 2 times R2 upon 2 plus R2 is 6/8. Now I'm just simplifying this. This is 2 into 4, 2 into 3, 2 into 4. Now cross multiply. 8 times R2 is 6 plus 3 R2. 5 R2 is 6. R2 is 6 by 5. Option C. Everybody has understood? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then do it. 6/5 is my answer.
Done.
Done, na? 55?
Yes.
56, in fact. I'm clearing this now. So, in the figure shown, total resistance will be how much? 2 ohm, 2 ohm, 8 ohm, 1 1, 1 1, 8. Again same 1 1, 1 1, and here 8. This is going up to infinity. Between A and B we want result. So actually circuit is like this: 2 2 8, 2 2 8, 2 2 8 up to infinity. Correct, na? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That means this chain 2 2 8 2 2 8 2 2 8 2 2 8 2 2 8 2 is increasing.
Yes.
Whichever chain is increasing, I assume it to be removed. One chain removed. Will it make any difference?
No.
No difference, because infinite में से एक निकाला तो क्या फर्क पड़ेगा? So that means if total infinity has resistance X, I remove one, nothing will happen. So this is A and B. Suppose I remove one and its resistance is X. So if across AB total infinity x, when you remove one and again add, again answer will be remaining x only or not?
Yes, sir.
This concept
Yes, sir.
first you have to understand. Matlab, let the resistance be x. Then one remove, still it will remain x. So when I add one, still it will remain x. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So let equivalent across AB dx. Now this x and 8, they are in parallel or in series?
Parallel.
Parallel.
Parallel, correct? So x in parallel with 8 and in series with this, not 2 plus 4, correct? No? Parallel
Yes, sir.
will
Yes.
become in series with this, so plus 4. Any doubt in this? So this is like x product upon sum plus that series wala 4. अभी भी कुछ लोग को समझा नहीं रहेगा, but you are not telling.
So then x plus 8.
X plus 8 product upon sum. सबको समझा है? सच्ची बोल रहे हैं ना? कि पूरा
Yes,
इंफिनिटी
sir.
का रेजिस्टेंस x बोला, फिर x के साथ एक चेन लगा दिया सेम वाला, तो भी x ही रहेगा. So R equivalent is always x, whether you remove one or you add one. So when I add one, actually looking it will become x in parallel with 8 and series with 2 and 2. इसका result x ही आने वाला है. Now will solve this. So it is 8x plus 4x plus 32 upon x plus 8. I just took LCM. Now this will become x square plus 8x equal to 12x plus 32. So x square minus 4x minus 32 is 0. So x minus 8, x plus 4 is 0. That means x will be 8 or x equal to minus 4. Now resistance cannot be negative. So it has to be 8. Followed now? T option. Yes, everybody has followed?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, sir.
It's totally different sum. यही कैपेसिटर भी बना सकते हो लोग. वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इंफिनिटी चेन आया तो पूरे इंफिनिटी का आंसर x बोलो और जो चेन रिपीट हो रहा है उसके साथ ऐड कर दो, मतलब उसके साथ फिट कर दो.
Done, sir.
58th one. a wire has resistance 12 ohm. It is bent in the form of circle. A wire 12 ohm resistance is bent in the form of circle. The effective resistance between any two diameter means two diametrically opposite point. So if total resistance is 12 ohm, then half will be 6 going on both sides. Hello? Diameter will divide this resistances into 6 or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now if I want equivalent across AB, is it series or parallel combination?
Parallel.
Parallel. What is 6 ka parallel? 3.
3.
Is the answer. C is the answer.
That's
59. Three equal resistor three equal resistors equivalent, each equal to R are connected as shown in the figure, the equivalent. Okay, beautiful sum again. R B A, here there is wire, here there is wire. Whenever this type of comes, you mark equal potential wala point with same number. So if I start here with A 1, then this wire going, this is also 1, not followed.
Not, sir.
This I'm marking 2. So result you want between 1 and 2, na? 1 and 2. A is 1 and B is 2. I hope you followed this numbering part at least. Now check 1 and 2 ka beech mein there is one resistance R. One resistance. 1 and 2 का बीच में ये 1, ये 2 का बीच में one more resistance. Then 2 and 1 का बीच में one more resistance. So all the three are in parallel or in series?
Parallel.
So R by, okay. Answer R by. Numbering, if any doubt, please ask how I am numbering 1 and 2. Done this one?
Yes, sir.
Now 60th. A cube is made from 12 identical wire. Current enters from one corner and leaves from the opposite. If the resistance of each wire is R, then equivalent resistance will be how much? Okay. If this is cube, current enters from one corner and leaves from another. That is called body diagonal. Current is entering from here and leaving from here. All sides are having same resistance. Same resistance. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Total there are 4, 4, 8 and 3, 11. This much you have followed diagram? Diagram followed? Current entering and leaving?
Yes, sir.
Each is R. Each is R. R, 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 R. 1, 2, 3, 4, 12. Okay. What if the resistance of each wire is R, then equivalent resistance will. This is neither appearing series nor appearing parallel. You can't do only. So whenever neither series nor parallel nor Wheatstone, ऐसा कुछ नहीं समझ में आ रहा है. A, B, C, D, E, F, A, B, C, D, E, F, A. Here I can call G and H. So whenever you don't understand what circuit, then imagine if you connect one battery across this result A and D. Here we want result. If I connect a battery, what will happen? This is imaginary. If I connect a battery, then current will enter from A and leave from D. Correct now?
Yes.
So if I go from D to A directly, suppose equivalent, ये पूरे का equivalent एक resistance है, पूरे का. और across AD we have connected battery. ये पूरे का एक resistance आया R equivalent. Then total voltage will be I into R equivalent or not? Total voltage.
Yes.
So what I am doing, I am first finding total voltage across distributed across this diagonal. वो V है. This is nothing but I into R. If I go directly, this is I into R, है ना?
Yes.
So I am assuming that current is 6I. You will say, sir, आपको ये 6I figure कैसा समझा? Because I can see here it will be division 1, 2, 3. तो अगर I लिया तो 1/3 हो जाएगा. इधर फिर से division है. So if I take 6I, my division will be without fraction. So to avoid fraction, 6 point है इसलिए मैंने ऐसा ले लिया 6I. So this will become 2I in this branch, 2I in this branch, 2I in this branch. इतना डायग्राम बनाओ. थोड़ा बड़ा बनाता हूँ नहीं तो दिखेगा नहीं आपको. Big figure I am drawing so that you understand distribution of current. current is entering at one end and leaving from other end. So this is 6. I enters at A. It will split into 3 parts. 2I, 2I, 2I. At this point B, 2I ka I will go here and 1 I will come here. This A to B, B to C. When this 2I, 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 2I comes here, 1 I will enter here, other I will enter here. तो ये ऊपर वाले को ABCD नाम दिया. Now this C I, so again it will become 2I here. This 2I comes here, it will also have 2 paths, I. So let this be E, F, G, H. ये डायग्राम ऐसा होगा. This I comes here, ऊपर से I आया, ये 2I आके इसके साथ ऐड हो जाएगा. Then I ये भी 2I. So 2I मिलके again it will become 6I. Diagram distributed followed. Current का distribution. Yes, current
Yes.
distribution. Okay, please copy diagram properly. This is totally different, sir. Neither Kirchhoff's, no law will come here. Series parallel कुछ सही नहीं है. इसके लिए Kirchhoff's voltage law we are using. Applying Kirchhoff's voltage law to loop A, B, C, E back to A. Because equivalent across A, E we want. If we want equivalent here, that means this entire will have resistance whose effect is all that of other one. Diagram done? Yes, diagram done?
Yes.
Now see, applying Kirchhoff's voltage law, what will get? Can you see A to B current is 2I?
Yes.
A to B, 2I. And resistances are there? We are in the direction, therefore minus.
Yes, sir.
B to C again minus IR. C to E is minus 2I into R. We are in the direction. अभी इधर से मुझे end लेने का है total. So that is equivalent resistance, but I am going, मतलब ये ऐसा direct current इधर से अगर आया तो, so I am going reverse.
Positive.
So it will be total current 6I entering and total resistance R. We are going ulta should be equal to 0. ये Kirchhoff's voltage law हो गया. समझ गया meaning?
Yes.
मतलब ये पूरे का इक्विवेलेंट, ये बैटरी है कि पूरे बैटरी में से करंट कितना है 6I और R इक्विवेलेंट, तो पूरे का इक्विवेलेंट 6IR होना चाहिए ना फिर वोल्टेज. हेलो,
Yes.
so this becomes minus 5IR is minus 6I capital R. I cancel, minus minus cancel. So we get R equivalent is 5 by 6R. Do we have this option anywhere? Five R by
Yes, sir.
6.
B option.
The option is. So as for our examination portion for Sunday, I have completed everything.
Done, sir.
Next one. 61. Tomorrow you can attend extra class in the evening. Tomorrow evening extra class.
9 to 10.
What time you want? 9 to 10?
Sir, in the
Yes,
morning,
9 to
is it okay?
Pardon?
Sir, in the morning.
Tomorrow morning. Other students are free morning.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Evening 9 o'clock. Nobody, you all are having any assignment? 9 to 10?
Evening 2 hours, there's a doubt solving lecture.
2 hours you have another doubt solving.
Yes, sir.
From when to when?
So maybe it's 8 to 10 only.
8 to 10 you are having. 8 to 10 if you have. 8 to 10. To 10. And after 10 because फ्रिक्शन का मुझे थोड़ा 1 घंटे का टॉपिक लेना है. 10 to 11 चलेगा क्या? क्या लेट होएगा?
तो थोड़ा लेट हो गया.
Sir, afternoon.
No, I have got lectures continuously. I have got actually continuous lecture. 12. Morning.
Sir, today evening.
The evening also class. Today evening, if you want, I can make it 9 to 10. Today evening. चलेगा क्या? Today evening 9 to 10. Is it convenient?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I am having my doubts on it.
At what time?
Sir, from 9 to 10 only.
Tomorrow, 7 to 8 evening.
Yes, sir.
7 to 8 is convenient.
Yes.
Tomorrow evening 7 to 8.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir. For me.
7 to 8 भी convenient नहीं है. 5:30 to 6:30.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is convenient for everybody.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
अच्छा, I will start from morning. 7 to 8 गया नहीं है ना?
No, sir.
No. 8 to 9 no.
No, sir.
चलेगा, sir.
अरे सबका जब तक आएगा नहीं आंसर. 9 to 10
No, sir.
No, sir.
no. अभी 10 to 11.
No, sir.
No, sir.
11 to 12.
No, sir.
No, sir.
12 to 1.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
1 to 2.
Fine, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 to 2 चलेगा?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
No, sir.
नो सर, सब डॉक्टर इतना एंगेज है. 1 to 2 भी नहीं चलेगा. 1 to 2 भी नहीं चलेगा, 2 to 3
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
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 sir.
देखो अभी एक बार लॉक किया ना तो फिर मैं अपने आप की भी नहीं सुनूंगा।
Yes, sir.
2 to 3 2 to 3 लॉक करूं लॉक करूं लॉक करूं लॉक करूं लॉक करूं कर दिया।
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
चलो 2 to 3 कल now 61 का 2 to 3 some number over 61. Each of resistance in network shown in the figure is equal to R resistance between terminals A and B. This is the diagram. Here it is. छुप गया है थोड़ा। This is A, this is point is B, all are R, 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 R. I want resultant between A and B. Yes, Karan, what should be the method? What should be the method here? Yes, what should be method? कुछ समझ नहीं रहा ना सीरीज पैरेलल, तो नंबरिंग देखे तो देखो। So this is A, this is B, ये point, is it same as A or different point?
So which one?
This center वाला, I have named AS1, ये सेंटर वाला 2 दे दो ना नाम, क्योंकि बीच में रेजिस्टेंस आया तो अलग हो गया ना, ये 2,
Yes, sir.
ये इधर 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 इधर, ये 3 देना पड़ेगा ना इसको नाम 3, बराबर ना।
Yes.
Yes, sir.
तो ये 2 और ये 3, इधर 4 देना पड़ेगा ना नाम, क्योंकि बीच में रेजिस्टेंस आया।
Yes, sir.
Okay, we want equivalent between A and B. Resistances are connected as shown. ये A और B ये 0.5 देना पड़ेगा नाम, इसको अलग हो गया ना ये पॉइंट।
Yes.
We want answer between 1 and 5. So this is 1 and this is 5. फिर ये 2 इधर ले लेता हूँ, ये 3, 4 मिसिंग है, साइड में रखते हैं 4 को। Between 1 and 2 is there any resistance?
Yes, sir.
एक मिनट, डायग्राम मैंने रॉन्ग तो नहीं बनाया, देख लेता हूँ वापस। Between
Or
नहीं इधर रेजिस्टेंस नहीं है, ए एंड इधर रेजिस्टेंस, ये रेजिस्टेंस नहीं। Yes, A and B. So this whole point is like 1, ये 1 1 1 1 1, इसको 2 बोल दो, ये 3 हो गया, ये 4. So ultimately we have only 4 points, 1 and 4 का cross. Between 1 and 2 we have one resistance R.
Yes.
Between 1 and 3 there is one resistance R.
Yes.
1 4 पे कुछ नहीं है, तो 1 का कनेक्शन खत्म। Come to 2, this is 2 and 1 already connected, 2 and 3 there is resistance. Second point, ये third है, ये fourth, अभी बराबर देखा है ना। Between 2 and 3 R, between 2 and 4, yes, one more R, 2 and 4 R. So 2 1 2 3 2 4 over 3 3 1 over 3 2 over 3 4 है क्या कुछ देखो, yes R है। Now I think आपको आइडिया आ गया है, Wheatstone ही है ना।
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So ये इसको फेंक दो ना, बीच वाले को, I can remove ना, this one को। So we have R R R. What is R R का series कितना?
2R.
2R. So 2R, 2R. Total इसका equivalent how much? Only R ना?
Yes, sir.
पक्का followed? Anay,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Got.
tomorrow what time we are having class?
So 2 to 3.
Yes, correct. Once you are done, please tell. Huh?
Done, sir.
Next one. Number 60. Next. 62. In the network shown, equivalent resistance between A and B. This is the network given. Equivalent resistance between A and B. 2 ohms. Three, 6, 6, 4, 8, 2. These 2 points are same point? Yes, sir. Same है ना?
Yes, sir.
So it is like 2 and 8 का एक point P और एक point A common point. So if I call this as P, this as A और ये B. So B, A and P का बीच में can you see there is 8 ohm connected? Yes or no? Correct, huh? Hello? This
Yes,
is
sir.
A and even 2 is connected.
Yes, sir.
2 is also connected. So 8 and 2 are parallel. Between P and this B, 4 and 6 are in parallel. 4 and 6 are in parallel. Then between this A, 3, ऊपर से ये 3 और ये 6 भी connected. 6 भी connected. Perfectly understood this diagram?
Yes, sir.
What
Yes.
is 8 and 2 का parallel? Can you tell 8 and 2 का parallel? Product upon sum कितना? 16
8
upon
by
10,
5.
0.6.
1.6. 4 और 6 का 24 by 10, 2.4. Correct. and this is 6. Here it is 3. 1.6 and 2.4 are in series. 4, correct. 3, 6. Now how to find equivalent? 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 6. Now
Yes, sir.
LCM of 3, 4, 6, I can take 12. So 4 plus 3 plus 2. So our equivalent is 12 upon 9. Correct now?
Yes, sir.
So it is 4 into 3 into 4, 3 into 3. 4 by 3 है क्या option देखो?
Option A.
Yes.
4 by 3 है? Yes है ये option. हाँ ये difficult है थोड़ा सा. If you have understood then nothing is difficult. But first time yes difficult है. Shall I clear this? 62.
Yes.
63. The equivalent resistance between P and Q. Equivalent resistance between P and Q. 8, 6, 8, 10. Again, as I said, best method is numbering method. This is P, you can call 1 or PQ बोलिया तो भी चलेगा. तो ये सब 1 1 है ना इधर, पूरा 1 1 ही है ना इधर तक, है ना?
Yes, sir.
और
Yes.
पूरा 2 2 2 ही आएगा ना, ये थर्ड हो गया. So in all I can see 3 point here. 1, 2 and 3. नीचे बना देता हूं. We want result between 1 and 2, that is P and Q. Now tell me between 1 and 2 there is one resistance C10, correct na?
Yes.
1 and 2 10. Between 1 and 3 we have 8.
6.
Between 1 and 3 6 also. 6. Between 2 and 1 already I drawn. 2 3 we have 8. 1 2 3 4 4 resistance. खत्म हो गया. ये diagram followed.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What is 6 and 8 का parallel? Tell. 6 and 8 का parallel. Say. 6 and 8 का parallel कितना?
24 by 7.
24 by 7.
8 6 are 48 upon 14. 24 by 7, correct? And this is 8. 24 by 7 and 8, are they in series?
Yes, sir.
8 6 का parallel, product upon sum, How much you got? 24 upon 7. What is 24 upon 7 plus 8 ka? Series?
80 by 7.
Pardon?
80 by 7.
756, 80 by 7. Okay. Now these two are in parallel. So 1 upon R parallel is 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 80 by 7. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So 1 by 10 plus 7 by 80. So 1 upon RP 80 LCM. This will be 7 A8 plus. This will be 8, na? Here 8. 8 plus 7, 15. So RP is 80 upon 15. Five into 3, 5 into 16 upon 3 है ही नहीं ऑप्शन. एक मिनट फिर से डायग्राम देखता हूँ. 8, 6, 8, 10 बराबर लिखा है ना. 8, 6, 8, 10. Once again, some number 63, 62.
63.
63 है.
So they have asked approx. So
Pardon? What you are saying? अरे
Sir,
so
they have a
नहीं. By mistake I saw 63. 63 we were doing, na? 63 we were doing, correct, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what we got finally?
15 by 3.
15 by 3.
15 by 80.
No, 80 by 15 we got, no?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
So this is 5 into 3, 16. So 3 5 is 15 approximately. ना बराबर है. B option.
Yes, sir.
You want that diagram again? That diagram you want
Okay.
again? इसके तो आ जाएगा. This is the diagram. So RP equals to 3, 16. This is approximately 5. कॉल लिया था 7 का 10 हो गया है और टारगेट बता रहा है 13. भेज दो. कर दो. Completed?
Yes.
So yes, that's all for today. Please practice everything properly till sum number 60. And tomorrow 2 to 3 lecture I'm putting on the group right now. Otherwise even I may forget. It's odd time.
Thank you, sir.